In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number on your Google business page. Now it's very simple to do, so follow along closely. And if you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing. So let's get right into it. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is go into Google and search up your business name. Now it should show up with something that looks like this. And if that doesn't work, you can also type in my business. From there, you should be able to see this pop up that has your business page details here. And the one that we're looking for is this one here, which is edit profile. So you need to go ahead and click on this button. And by clicking on it, we're going to have a lot of different information about the business. You can see we've got the about, contact, location, hours, and more. Now, specifically, the one that we are looking for is the contact one. So click on where it says contact and you can go ahead and change your phone number. As you can see down here, I can go ahead and change my phone number. And I just have to press this little pen icon and I can click on it, and this is going to go ahead and allow me to change it to a new one. And it's really as simple as that to go ahead and change your phone number on your Google business page. Now I assume there are going to be a lot of different ways to go ahead and do this, but this is the easiest way that I've found to do it. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to go down below and like and subscribe. Comment down below if the video helped, and I will see you in the next one.